In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lateral raise with a 90-degree bend at your elbow. So I'm sat down for this exercise demonstration. You can do this standing or alternatively sat down like me. So I've got the weights here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is bring my feet hip width apart. That would be the same if you were standing as well. And I'm going to bring my elbows locked into my sides. Notice how the dumbbells now are in a position where I've got my hands or my palms facing each other. I'm going to bring my elbow directly up and I'm going to keep that 90-degree bend at the elbow. So I've not brought the weights in or the weights out. I've kept that 90-degree bend at all times from the start of the motion to the finish point of the motion. And all I'm doing here is bringing my elbows up and back down into my sides tucked in. So my palms face each other. Palms face the floor, palms face each other, palms face the floor. When you're doing this standing or seated, make sure you're contracting your core to make sure your lower back doesn't start arching during the exercise, especially with heavier weights. So you can see that side on. Again, nice and upright, shoulders back. I've got my elbows in a position where they've got that 90-degree or vague 90-degree angle. The elbow finishes in a position where it's in line with shoulder and then comes back down. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a seated lateral raise with your elbows at 90 degrees.